Your days don't have to feel like a losing battle. Imagine waking up knowing that every action has a clear purpose and that you are in control. No more running from task to task, but instead channeling your energy into what truly matters. Think about it. What if your first decisions of the day could set the tone for productive and balanced hours ahead? Sounds impossible? Stoicism proves it's not. Stoicism isn't about rejecting emotions or living like a machine. It's about mastering them, turning them into powerful tools for success. This is a practical philosophy that teaches the art of living with purpose and clarity. Today, I want to share with you some Stoic habits that can revolutionize your routine and bring a significant change to how you approach your day. Imagine stacking blocks of wood to build something meaningful. Without a solid foundation, everything collapses. Stoicism is that foundation, a sturdy base that supports the weight of daily responsibilities and challenges. Each habit you'll learn here will reinforce this structure, making it more resilient and reliable. Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to live each day with the certainty that you're on the right path? That certainty doesn't come from magical promises or miraculous formulas, but from small, consistent changes, tiny adjustments that, over time, turn into something extraordinary. In this video, you'll discover 10 Stoic habits that will not only transform your approach to the day, but also bring a renewed sense of control, focus, and fulfillment. Stay with me until the end, as I'll propose a practical challenge that can completely change your routine this very week. Small steps, big changes. Are you ready to start? Habit 1. Start your day by reflecting on what you can control. Every day presents challenges, but how you face them depends on your initial perspective. Before anything else, take a moment to reflect on what is truly within your control. No matter how chaotic your schedule might seem, asking yourself, what is within my control right now, can transform your mindset. Imagine standing before a pile of tasks at work or home. It's easy to get lost in stress and anxiety, but by identifying what you can act on in the present moment, you eliminate distractions and focus on actions that truly make a difference. This simple practice not only boosts productivity but also reduces emotional strain. Now think, how would it feel to start your day with clarity instead of chaos? Picture the impact it would have on your decisions, your mood, and even your energy throughout the day. If this already feels like a powerful change, the next habit will show you how to neutralize even the toughest challenges, no matter the circumstances. Habit 2. Set a clear intention for your day. Having a goal isn't just helpful, it's essential. Before diving into your activities, determine the primary focus of your day. Ask yourself, what's the most important thing I need to accomplish today? This intention will act as a compass guiding your actions. Imagine someone starting their day by checking emails and social media without direction. Now compare that to someone who sets a purpose, like completing a critical task or investing time in something meaningful. The second scenario creates a sense of control and purpose, while the first leads to distraction and frustration. Now think, how would it feel if every decision you made throughout the day aligned with a greater intention? Time wasted would turn into achievement, and detours would become easier to avoid. If setting an intention is key to maintaining focus, the next habit will be a game changer for keeping your energy and mental balance throughout the day. Habit 3. Practice gratitude for the simple things. Before letting the pressures of the day take over, take a moment to acknowledge the small things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as a warm cup of coffee or the support of someone close. Gratitude is a powerful practice that shifts your perspective and prepares your mind to face challenges with resilience. Imagine starting your day by focusing on what's missing or what still needs to be done. Now, contrast that with recognizing what you already have and what you've achieved. This shift in focus creates a positive emotional foundation that influences all your interactions and decisions. What if, instead of beginning the day with complaints, you chose gratitude? The impact would be immediate. less anxiety, more clarity, and a renewed sense of purpose. If this already makes sense, wait until the next habit, which will teach you how to mentally prepare for the most unpredictable moments of your day. Habit 4. The practice of detachment, controlling expectations. Throughout the day, ask yourself, am I investing energy into something I can't change? This simple reflection helps redirect your efforts toward what is within your reach, avoiding exhaustion over situations beyond your control. Imagine working on an important project and spending hours worrying about what others might think or whether the results will be perfect. By practicing detachment, you focus on what you can control, your effort and dedication, not the results, which are often out of your hands. Think about it. What areas of your life are being drained by unrealistic expectations? How would your routine change if you could free yourself from this emotional burden? If detachment is liberating, the next habit will show you how to turn adversities into opportunities for personal growth. Habit 5. See challenges as opportunities for learning. Instead of avoiding or fearing problems, view each challenge as a chance to grow. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? This shift in perspective turns obstacles into tools for personal development. Imagine facing a conflict at work or an unexpected task. While many might feel overwhelmed, you can see these moments as opportunities to improve your skills, expand your patience, or even strengthen your resilience. Now think, how would your life change if, instead of running from problems, you used them as stepping stones to reach new levels of strength and self-mastery? This habit redefines your relationship with discomfort and makes every challenge an essential part of your progress. If learning from challenges is already transformative, the next habit will show you how to create moments of tranquility amidst the chaos of the day. Habit 6. Make time for silence and introspection. Every day, dedicate at least a few minutes to silence. Use this time to take deep breaths, reflect on your actions, and reconnect with the present moment. Silence isn't empty. It's the space where your mind reorganizes and your clarity strengthens. Picture someone rushing from task to task without ever stopping to breathe. Now imagine another person who pauses for 10 minutes during the day, closes their eyes, and breathes deeply. This break recharges mental and physical energy while providing a sense of control. What if you could incorporate this practice into your routine? Imagine the impact it would have on your productivity and your ability to make better decisions. If silence is where clarity is found, the next habit is the secret to maintaining consistency and balance in everything you do. Habit 7. Prioritize the essential and eliminate the superfluous. Focus your energy on what truly matters. Ask yourself, is this task or activity aligned with my main goals? Knowing how to prioritize is a Stoic skill that prevents wasting time and energy on things that don't add value. Imagine spending the day putting out fires, answering irrelevant messages, or engaging in pointless discussions. Now picture the opposite, dedicating your time and effort exclusively to activities that bring you closer to your goals. This approach not only boosts productivity but also reduces stress. What if every action you took was intentional and had a clear impact on your objectives? This habit not only organizes your routine, but also gives greater meaning to what you do each day. If prioritizing the essential already changes how you approach the day, the next habit will teach you how to maintain your strength even in the most challenging situations. Habit 8. Practice emotional resilience. In difficult moments, ask yourself, does this really deserve all my emotional energy? Emotional resilience is built by carefully choosing where to invest your emotions, avoiding burnout over trivial situations. Imagine dealing with a negative comment or a frustrating situation in traffic. You could react with anger and ruin your mood, or you could decide that it's not worth your emotional energy. This choice defines the difference between being overwhelmed by emotions and using them to your advantage. What would your life look like if, instead of reacting impulsively, you could pause, reflect, and respond with calm and clarity? Practicing this habit consistently strengthens your ability to maintain balance, even in the most tense moments. If controlling your emotions is essential for equilibrium, the next habit will help you expand your mindset to an even more strategic and focused level. Habit 9. Visualize the day as if you've already lived it. Before starting your activities, spend a few minutes visualizing how you'd like the day to unfold. Imagine facing challenges with calmness, completing important tasks, and ending the day with a sense of accomplishment. This mental exercise prepares your mind to act with intention. Consider the difference between starting the day aimlessly and beginning with a clear vision of how you want it to be. For example, if you're preparing for a difficult meeting, visualizing yourself speaking confidently and responding calmly reduces anxiety and increases your chances of success. What if, before every day, you could rehearse it mentally, like an athlete visualizing their victory before competing? This habit not only guides your actions, but also builds your confidence and determination. If mentally planning your day already feels powerful, the next habit will consolidate everything you've learned, ensuring a daily transformation that's even more impactful. Habit 10. Reflect and adjust at the end of the day. Before bed, take a few minutes to reflect on the day. Ask yourself, what did I do well today? What can I improve tomorrow? This habit of daily review is one of the most valuable Stoic practices, as it turns mistakes into lessons and victories into motivation. Imagine ending each day with a clear mind, knowing that you're not just going through the motions but constantly adjusting to be better. This practice creates a continuous cycle of progress and keeps you aligned with your goals. Now think, how would it feel to go to bed knowing that each day is an opportunity to grow, rather than a sequence of disconnected tasks? Reviewing your steps not only reinforces your achievements, but also prepares you to face the next day with greater clarity and purpose. These 10 habits are powerful tools to transform your day into something more balanced, productive, and, above all, intentional. Each one is an essential piece in building a solid routine where you feel in control and capable of facing any challenge. Daily small practices might seem insignificant, but together they create an unshakable foundation for success and personal fulfillment. Now, how about taking the next step? Choose 3 of these habits and apply them daily for a week. At the end of each day, take a moment to reflect on how these small changes are impacting your life. Write down your discoveries, track your progress, and feel the power of being in charge. Remember, true transformation starts with simple and consistent steps. If you want to deepen these practices and apply Stoicism to all aspects of your daily life, don't miss the chance to check out our ebook Modern Stoicism in Practice. It's a complete tool for those seeking real results, offering powerful strategies to achieve a genuine balance between productivity and purpose. You'll find the link to get your copy in the comments. And to continue this journey of transformation, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to ensure you don't miss practical and transformative content like this. If this video helped you, leave a like so that more people can benefit from these teachings. Don't stop here. If you want to learn how to stop stressing over trivial matters and focus only on what truly matters, my next video is essential for you. There, you'll discover how the Stoics dealt with trivial situations without wasting energy, with simple and effective strategies that you can apply immediately. Remember, the control of your day is in your hands. The transformation starts now. So, let's embark on this journey together.